Friday, February 7th, and looks like Dad and Aidan are both inside of the Snow 75. So we're gonna check in with them and find out what's going on. What's going on today, Aidan?
We finished hanging those last two back doors for the engine bay, and
Yeah.
then we put the U-joint in that we got yesterday.
Okay, is it right size?
Well, that was the right size, but the yoke that goes in the transmission was too big, so it was skipping over the splines.
Oh,
So we
okay.
had to send Peter back for a new U-joint.
Okay, so you're working on,
Now we're trying to figure out the brake.
okay. Every one of these is a little bit different, so Dad has to make each adjustment to make it work. And I'm gonna get out of your way here and let you guys do this for a bit.
Okay.
So these guys are still busy trying to do stuff. It's a Friday, so if we don't have all the parts, it can really significantly slow Dad down here. But they got a lot of that engine work already done. But I imagine this will be the plan here if Dad gets slowed down. They'll probably end up hanging these doors. They had them hung up, but he's got the weld-on hinges already. They'll probably clean that up and do some more sanding here and probably priming. And so those three doors are done for now, I guess. So they'll probably, it looks all ground down already. And yeah, all sides. That one's done there as well. So yeah, it'll be probably they end up putting the back sliding door on if they run out of time. But if this is covered up, means that Dad's probably going to paint as well. They could also do some priming over the weekend. It's at that point in the job where
all the doors are fitted now. All the well-done hinges are on.
okay. But it's at that point in the job where, unless Dad has all the parts that he needs and it's running concurrently, smoothly, things can go haywire on a weekend with one part being missing. So you can tell his anger's up a little bit here. But yeah, we'll find out what's going on the weekend here tomorrow. But they do have difficulties on the weekends, and everything's got to fit in, and it's those little tasks all have to be done in order. And with the machine shop still not here, with the drive shaft, that might be a next week thing too.
That's it.
So here's a little closer look at what they're doing here. Dad's working on the brake caliper and trying to get everything working there. It can be a hell of a job getting all that done. So as you can see from this angle here, we still need the drive shaft, the U-joint for the transmission. Aidan said it was the wrong one, so Peter's in town probably getting it. Everything's been wired on the dashboard. All the wiring's done back there. They got a brake pedal to install. The floor's already been done there. They got to do that floor, I think, which is already done. Got to do a big cleanup. I don't know, 2-3 weeks probably this one's done. So they still got to paint everything, obviously, too. I don't know if Dad's going to do that or if they're going to get a guy in to do that. But Peter's Snow 75 is definitely coming along quite nicely here. 3 months this has been in the shop now. I think exactly 3 months. November 7th it came in, and it's now February 7th. So yeah, looking good. So Peter just rolled back in with the drive shaft, and
The wrong yoke on here.
okay.
So we have the right.
Okay, well, we'll figure it out, I guess. So everybody's got their treats, and Charlie's trying to tell me that he needs more. Do you need more? Yeah? Many more treats do you need? Lots. Happy dogs with sticks in their mouths. Oh, just love playing so much. Emily and Schooner just love each other.